Hey G-Squad, welcome back to Minnesota. Is it worth it? So today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a knife set. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the set that we got right here, it's supposed to come with 12 different pieces. So I'm assuming there's a total of 6 different knives on here, and they do give you guys a cover for all of them, so that way you can get that protection for the actual knives. And when you guys look at the design of the knife, it's actually pretty cool. All of them are color coded, so that way you know which is which. But they basically provide guys a slicing knife, a bread knife, Santo Knife, utility knife, paring knife, and also a chef knife as well. And top right here, they do provide guys some of the specs and features that's on the product. Let me actually open up and take out each one to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's one of the box. Here's an empty box. And then here is one of the knives. So I'm assuming for this one right here, it should be the 8-inch chef knife. But let's take it out. So obviously when you guys do take out these knives, you do want to be careful because they are pretty sharp. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So for the chef knife, it is like a purple color. And we guys do feel the material that's on here. You can definitely hear the high quality stainless steel material. And when you guys turn it to the side, you can definitely see how sharp the knife is. And the way how they designed the handle part right here definitely will give you guys a pretty good grip when you guys do use it. And right underneath the knife, they do give you guys the cover. You can see on the cover, they do have the brand logo. So let's take off this part right here. You guys can just slide it in really easy like this. Once you guys got it all the way in, here is basically what the product looks like with the cover on. So this is the first knife that's included for you guys with a chef knife. Let's open up the box to show you guys everything else. So inside there is a bunch of knives, but let's take all of them out one by one. So right here we do have a red one, and basically this is the 8-inch slicing knife. And the way how you remember is the red one. But you see right here they also have the brand logo, and they do give you guys a cover as well. So if you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. But you can see the knife that's on here is pretty sharp, and this is stainless steel as well. And they do give you guys a very nice handle right here. So that is basically the second one that we do have. Next up right here, everything is basically the same thing, but this one is yellow color. So this one right here is the bread knife. So if I take it out, if you can see on the bottom, that is how you guys know that it is a bread knife. But everything on here is basically the same thing. It is a stainless steel material, so it's super durable when you guys do use it. And next to right here, the one that we have right here is a utility knife. So this one is like a 6-inch utility knife. So let's take it out. Here is basically what it actually looks like. So same thing for material on here, same thing. And I do give you guys a cover as well. And next to right here, this one is green color, and basically this is a Santo knife. So out of all the knives that I've usually used, this one and the chef knife is usually one of my favorite ones because I can use it for almost anything. But for this one in particular, the Santo knife is usually my favorite because I can chop stuff, slice stuff, or whatever I want. So let's take it out. Here is basically what it actually looks like. And then for the last one that we got right here, this one is the paring knife. So you can probably use it for like cutting off the skin of like a fruit or something if you guys do want to. But if you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So this one is 3.5 inch, and that is basically everything that's included in the package. So you see there's a lot of different knives available for you to use for almost any kind of situation, whether for slicing, chopping, dicing, or whatever. And the fact that it is color coded is actually pretty cool. So that way you know which knife is which, and that way you don't mix it all around. But that is basically everything that's on product. Let me actually go use one of these knives to test it out to show you guys how it works and what it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the knife. Let's test it out to see how it works. So I think I'm going to try out the green one right here, which is Santo knife. Like I mentioned, it's one of my favorite knives. So first thing I want to do is to wash it first. And we'll probably wash the board as well to make sure it's clean. So for this test, I'm going to cut this veggie to show you guys how sharp the knife is and how well it works. So we just slice through it. You can see how sharp the knife is, and I didn't use too much force to actually cut through it. Let me do it one more time. Alright, so we actually cut through it. You can see it definitely does work. So the knife is pretty sharp when you guys do use it, but it depends on which knife you guys use. Some of them work better in certain situations. So here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do put it down on the table. You can see the size difference on here, and also you can see the color difference that's on here as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this quick test the product, definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, in the apartment, or anywhere else, however you guys want to use it and wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But we see when we do test out the product, it actually works pretty well. And I love the fact that how they provide guys so many different knives in this set. So that way you can use it for almost any situation. Whether if you guys want to use one for veggies, one for meat, one for seafood, one for fruit. You basically have everything available for you guys in this set, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this knife set, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality knife set that also give you guys the protective cover as well. So that way you can get that protection, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.